Okay, so I'm going to talk about the upcoming sound healing workshop. There's many forms of sound healing out there. What I'm becoming some very secret ancient techniques from Taoist magic as well as from Pueblo Indian, where sounds have been used to move particular energy out of the organs and meridians. Using a posture with a sound can actually move negative energy out of the meridians to release negative emotion stored there. This really gets into depth of what causes your problems. We're dealing with kind of causative factors stored in those meridians and organs. Then there are sounds that actually release entities, cleanse, and also restructure the organs of the body by restructuring its energy pattern. The right sounds of creation restructure the body into its perfect configuration. These sounds can be easily made if they're done on the voice, which I'll be teaching you. And with this, you'll be able to heal many things for yourself and for others.